Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the objective questions of hydrocarbon and its derivatives. Those are very important for your upcoming examinations. Next question. An isomers is a ethanol is diethyl ether isomerism exhibited by the acetic acid and methyl formulate is a functional group. Question 92. Which type of isomerism is shown by diethyl ether and methyl propyl ether is the metamerism. Question 93. Optical isomerism is exhibited by the compound which contains at least one symmetric carbon atom. So 94. Optical isomerism is shown by lactic acid. Creole molecules are those which are not superimposable on their mirror image. Glucose has how many optical isomers? 16. How many chiral carbon atoms present in glucose molecule is 4. Which of the following is a chiral carbon? CHIBrCl. The name of fire damp is given by 2. The name of fire damp is given to methane. Mars gas mainly contains CH4. The compound with the highest boiling point is an hexane. When water vapors are passed over an aluminum carbide, we get methane. Saturated hydrocarbons undergo substitution reaction. Carbon black is the obtained when methane is heated in absence of air. 105. What is the volume of oxygen required for the complete combustion of 4 liter of ethane? 14 liter. Kerosene is a mixture of aliphatic hydrocarbon. Which of the following substance used as a anti-knock compound? TEL. Most of the hydrocarbons from petroleum are obtained by fractional distillation. Knocking sound is produced in the engine when the fuel contains straight chained hydrocarbon. The knocking will be minimum when the mixture of fuel is neocarbonation. Petroleum is a mixture of all of these, any alkanes, cyclocanes, aromatic hydrocarbon. Petroleum is found deep under the surface of the earth. Isooctane is added to petrol as an anti-knocking agent. Petroleum consists of aliphatic hydrocarbons. The fractional obtained between temperature 152-300 degrees Celsius during the fractional distillation of crude petroleum is kerosene. Ethanol containing 5% water is known as a rectified spirit. The gas supplied in cylinders for cooking is LPG. 118. The thermal decomposition of alkanes is known as a cracking. Octane number of fuels can be increased by all of these, yani isomerizations, alkanizations, reforming. Question 120. Which of the following compounds has been given an octane number of 100? Isooctane. Which of the following is not a link with methane producer gas? Paraffin wax is saturated hydrocarbon. 123. Purification of petroleum is carried out by the following methods. Fractional distillation. Octane number of gasoline can be increased by addition of BTX. BTX stands for benzene, toluene and xylene. The flash point in India is fixed at 44 degrees Celsius. In the complete combustion of CnH2n plus 2, the number of oxygen molecules required is 3n plus 1 upon 2 O2. Fischer-Tropsch process is used in the manufacture of synthetic petrol. Domestic cooking gas consists of mostly liquefied butane and isobutane. Paraffin dissolves in benzene. The liquid hydrocarbon is converted into mixture of gaseous hydrocarbon by cracking. The complete combustion of CH4 gives. The right answer is D, CO2 plus S2O. Adam catalyst is, right answer is D, P2O2. Catalytic reactions of water was gives. The right answer is D, methane. 134. Octane number is 0 for B, N heptane. Question 135. Successive alkanes differ by 135 का A CH2. Which hydrocarbon is mainly present in a Gobar gas? The right answer is C methane. The geometry of methane molecule is tetrahedral. Question 138. Which of the following has the highest knocking property? D. Straight chain paraffin. General formula of CnH2 and -2 represents C. Alkynes. Question 140. The most reactive hydrocarbon is A. Ethane. Next question. Bayer's reagent is alkaline K-manifold solution. Acid hydrogen is present in. The right answer is A. Ethylene. 143. Ethylene reacts with sulfur monochloride to form. The right answer is C. Mustard gas. Benzene is a polymer of acetylene. Question 145. The name of the poisonous gas formed by the interaction of acetylene and arsenic trichloride is. The right answer is B. Levicides. 136. The gas which is used for artificial ripening of fruit is. The right answer is C2H4. The next question. The gas which is used for welding purpose is C2H2. The maximum C bond length is in C2H6.